Pat Bottom. Well, hello beautiful people, back again at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Now you know we're in the parish of Bays and we're in Port Antonio again. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Now today is going to be a day where we're going to be featuring where we get the food. This is one of the places where we get the food, all the produce from the farm in Port Antonio. Yeah? And we're going to go around and we're going to meet a lovely lady. She's the one who is the manager and CEO and owner for Rio Grande Farmers Produce. Okay? And they are located in the vicinity of Anchovy Gardens and Anchovy Settlement, Anchovy Land Settlement. Okay? It's Rio Grande Farms, Fresh Farms Produce. Yes? As you can see across in the distance, right, that's where the establishment is located. Rio Grande Farms, Fresh Farms Produce. And they sell, they ship, and they do everything pertaining to food, produce. Yam, banana, dasheen, cocoa, pumpkin, yellow yam, sweet yam. Yeah? All of the fruits and vegetables that need to be exported out of Jamaica, they do it right here. Okay? And we say we're going to meet this beautiful lady here. She's the owner and CEO of this business. Yeah, and she's going to give us a little insider for her business, what's going on with her business and how they go about doing it. Right here in Port Antonio. Yes? Anchovy, Port Antonio. And we are going to meet this lady here. Now we're going to meet Miss Winsome. Alright? So as we say, let's wander over by the establishment and see if we can meet Miss Winsome. Okay? Here we go. This is her beautiful logo, and if you notice, she have got the Jamaican flag, Rio Grande Farms, Fresh Farm Produce and Sales. All these going on right here. Okay? And see a beautiful basket there with all the items, yeah, that they really export and sell across the world. And if you notice, we got a number right here. Look at that. They got a package deal, right? This and every Friday and Saturdays, you can call this number right here, right? And you can, I think it's Miss Winsome, her name is. And whenever you call this number, I think they do delivery service too. Okay, well, she will give you some more information and whatever she have to tell us pertaining to her business. Okay, so as we say, we are in Anchovy and we are featuring this lady here that is taking care of all our food. Here we talk about Pat Bottom Kitchen, we talk about food and we tell about where you're going to get the food, how can you get the food. Well, this is the place. Yes, all about the food we're talking about right here. Right here inside Anchovy, Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay, so let's find the lady that is responsible for all of this. Her name is Miss Winsome and this is what is taking place in Anchovy Gardens. Okay, and as we say, almond tree. Alright, you come in Port Antonio, you ask for almond tree. If you don't remember the name Anchovy, you come to Port Antonio, you ask for where can you find almond tree, and this is the place. Okay, and I think we're going to talk to Miss Winsome in a minute and hear what she got to tell us pertaining to her business. Okay, and how she started out and how the farmers them can come in with them produce and we can get it, you know. We have shipment, you have local, them can sell it local. They have things with them ship and all that. So you know when you come with your stuff, if your produce is in the category of being shipping, they're gonna buy it from you and they will send it overseas, pack it and sell it and all that overseas. Alright? Pat Bottom Kitchen. Take it to the people then. Alright. Okay, here we go. Now we have some cocoa here. I don't know if it's Minty Sally or the other one, but I think this one look like Sally. Is it Sally Cocoa, boss?
Yeah.
Sally, this one look like Sally Cocoa. Yeah, man. So here we go. This is a part of the thing what's going on here inside the building. You have mint, you have Sally Cocoa. We are in the processing area, and these are gonna be boxed, washed, cleaned properly. I think they're gonna send off somewhere in the world. We don't know where. Okay. So this is a part of what's going on here. This is a whole stock, like 150 pounds of cocoa right here, and it's Sally Cocoa. All right. And over here we have the sweet potato. This is Jamaican sweet potato. This is not the yellow one that they have in America and all that and all over the world. This is Jamaican sweet potato. Our sweet potato is purple. Yes, and I think we have about almost 300 pounds of potato right here looking at. And we are in the processing area where they wash and clean and stamp the potato. So you know your potato gonna get rejected. If you don't have pretty potato like this, don't take it down here, because they will just throw it out. Alright, so them beautiful. And that's what happened now. They are in the preparation area to get it boxed, and they're gonna send off somewhere in the world. And this is what's happening right here. Let's have a look. It's all minty cocoa. Okay. Alright. Now we were looking at the potato just now, and we have the man that, you know, him have the big farm down at St. Mary. St. Mary people, they probably know this gentleman here. His name is?
Mr. Roden.
Mr. Roden, and he's sending, you know, he's all over Jamaica. Now he's in the space of Port Antonio, and he's distributing potato over in Miss Winsome place. Boy, I tell you. Mr. Tony, tell me one, what is it like to be a farmer over in St. Mary?
Well, it's very, very, very easy, you know.
It's an easy job.
When you have a crew where, you know, is committed.
Beautiful.
You just, you know, you keep going at it early, you know.
Early morning.
And late at night.
Late at night.
You know what farming is what it curtails, right?
That's a farmer's attitude, right?
Yes. Definitely.
Early morning, early bird catch there.
Most work.
There you go.
So that's when all the spraying go on, and
there you go, there you go, there you go.
Harvesting.
So that's the farmer, that's the big man from St. Mary. So Miss Winsome, I think you want to say something. Tell me something about this gentleman here. Tell me what's going on, man, because you know what happened? It's all about the farmers and where it entails.
Tony has been my consistent supplier of sweet potato for a while now, and he continues to produce quality sweet potatoes for me, and he do supply me with sweet potatoes on a weekly basis. Wow!
So naturally, you only do sweet potato. You don't know anything else.
Yes, but our stuff that we do is more local. Some local stuff like melons,
short crops.
Yeah, short crop melons.
Okay, beautiful.
We really don't export.
Okay, beautiful.
Locally. So you have to take care of the home base too, right?
Beautiful. That's the most important thing. Here, what's gonna happen now? People in St. Mary want to find you to get product from you, don't? Yes or no? So what you're gonna do? You're gonna tell me your number. Just tell the people your number, or they can contact you, business-wise. That's all we want here.
426-1232, and you know the area code 876.
And you are in St. Mary and Ocho-Reyes. Ocho-Reyes people, the man is coming at you with all these type of product. You see him that Portland, so you know him. The next door to you, same way. So you go and check you out. So now we were talking to Mr. Tony, the big farmer from St. Mary, taking the thing to the world. And Miss Winsome, we're going to talk to you.
Okay.
Come over here. Let's have a little word here. Thank you, Mr. Tony.
All right.
And it's good meeting you.
Thank you.
And it's all about Pat Batam Kitchen. Let Pat Batam Kitchen know what's going on, okay?
Definitely.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tony. Appreciate it. Now, we're going to talk to Miss Winsome. And Miss Winsome going to tell us all about her business and our businesses entail across Port Antonio, Portland, and across the world, because she exports. All right? So, my question to this beautiful lady here. Oh, you become a farmer? Because you seem like you're a farmer a long time. Until you come outside.
It's in my blood.
It's in your blood?
I'm from the beautiful town, rural community of Tomzo.
Oh, okay, beautiful.
I'm a third generation farmer.
Farmer, yes.
Which means that my grandfather was a farmer. My father, my siblings are farmer, and I'm also a farmer.
So if you cut your finger,
so
farmer run out.
My vein, you will see farmer run out. Right? So actually I started up my first farm when I was about 12 years old.
Beautiful.
I had a bit of dasheen. My father harvested those dasheens for me, and he actually sold them and gave me my money, and I used it to buy my ice cream. from then I
Wow.
was motivated to be a farmer.
To be a farmer.
Exactly.
There you have it. Young entrepreneur, Miss Winsome. She been farming from she was 12 years old.
Exactly.
And here what happened?
Right.
She expanded the thing. Now,
So, arising from that, we established the Rio Grande Farms exporters in 2012.
Got
and
you.
2012 we started to export to Canada, England and the United States and also the Cayman Islands. We
Beautiful.
have been shipping fresh produce, including sweet potatoes, focus, yams, machines, avocados, breadfruits, and a wide range of exotic fruits that are in season. We export all of these produce
beautiful.
to these countries.
Beautiful.
Okay?
So what I want to tell you people in Canada, this is the place where you get all these things. When you say Jamaica, Rio Grande,
Rio Grande Farms exporters.
this is the place where the man, well, I would say the prepare, this all the preparation take place.
We
box.
process, we sort, and we package for export.
Beautiful.
Right.
All right. What I want to ask you, because you must do some local market, right?
Yes, we do. We have a local farmers market on Thursdays and Fridays where we have a wide range of fruits and vegetables and other produce for our local household. And we also do delivery, door-to-door delivery.
I think I've
So
seen
you
that
can
on.
have
I don't cut
your
you.
order made online, or you can WhatsApp, or you can call us, and we will deliver your produce and your fresh fruits and vegetables and other produce right to your doorstep, from the farm straight to your doorstep.
Beautiful. And that's what Bottom Kitchen all about. What I want you to tell the people now, because you're online, you're virtual, you're all over the world. Tell them what's going on. How can we get you online? Tell me what's going on.
You can email us at riograndefarms@gmail.com. That's riograndefarms@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp us at 876-410-2160. That's our WhatsApp number. You can call us at 881-9734.
Beautiful.
Place your order.
Beautiful. And you were saying now, on a Farmer's Day, we got discount, yes? Tell the people about discount you have on a Farmer's
We
Day.
do have discounts depending on the volume of stuff you're purchasing wholesale. We can offer you discounts between 5% to
Beautiful, beautiful.
8%. We'll give you a discount.
And now, what we're trying to tell the people, we're in the mecca of food. We're in Portland, yes? If you don't have it, we go and get it for you. And this is the lady right here.
Exactly.
Whatever you order, if you think you need something exotic, give us a day or two. Just order, give us a day or two, and guess what? I mean, she will buy your doorstep in just a minute, as you said. All right.
Exactly.
Miss Winsome, that, and hear what happened. Miss Winsome, there's anything else you want to say to us?
Okay, come on out. We're here. We're here to serve you, and we want to ensure that you have your fresh quality produce. So come out here. We're at Anchovy, Almond Tree Anchovy in Port Antonio. Come on here and make your weekly shop.
Beautiful, beautiful. So what I want to ask you, show this COVID thing now. All you do your time, You go with the protocol at the timing what we have every weekend or whatever. Tell us what's going on.
Well, we follow the protocol that the government has stipulated. However, because it's agriculture and it's fresh produce, you know that on Fridays we're here until about 5 p.m. on a Friday, and we're also here on Thursdays.
On Thursdays,
Right.
because
and of course, as you can see, we're maintaining our social distancing, and we have our sanitization procedures in place, and we have our mask.
Not
it's
because
not that my nose now, but because I'm speaking
beautiful.
to the camera
I get you.
but definitely we're adhering to the
procedures. You know, that's the way to go, and I really appreciate your time, your valuable time, naturally, that you spend with Bottom Kitchen this evening. We've been looking for you. It's all about good goal and good food. We can't find her. We can't find her. We've been searching for her, but we just can't find her. But here she go. She's inside the establishment today, and she's doing her thing. And here you have it from Winsome, the Rio Grande lady.
That's
yes,
correct.
And this is where everything happened, out of Portland, Jamaica. Okay, this is where we meet the world, pertaining to food and vegetables, all farm food. Here we go, right here. Winsome Place, all right? And this is in Anchovy. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Winsome. All right. As we said, Pat Bottom Kitchen. That's where we have it, and we can take the thing to the world. All right. Thank you for spending your time with us. And don't forget, if you like it, you got to touch it. Yes? And if you want to feel it, you just got to touch that button. All right? And we will be by your doorstep in a minute. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Pat Bottom Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Another beautiful moment. Food and produce. You're inside Winsome Place. Talk to you soon. You know what happened? Tell us. Send your comments on all of that. Let's know what's happening at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Alright? This is where you get all the food. We cook the food, so this is where you can come and get all the food that she mentioned just now. Alright? Pat Bottom.